Hey guys, Professor Doney back. We're in the middle of talking about energy, and we're just going to do a silly problem here today. Okay, let's say we are given, or we are going to eat a piece of cake. Alright, there's my piece of cake. We'll put some icing on it. I'm a white icing kind of guy, so we're going to put some white icing across the top and make it nice and thick. Okay, and then whatever flavor cake that is what it is. Alright, we look on the side of the cake and it tells us the number of calories if I eat that one serving of cake is, let's say, 500 calories. Okay, now that is a big C calorie, and one big C calorie is the amount of energy to raise the temperature 1 degree Celsius of 1 kilogram of material. Okay, or water, I'm sorry, material, water. So that has 500 units of energy. That would raise it 500 kilograms degrees, or that of water. Now we can convert 1 calorie is also equal to 4186 joules. So that 500 calories times 4186 joules per calorie would give us a pretty large number, which I'm going to calculate here real quickly. So we can do this problem. 500 times 4186 should give us 2,093,000. Joules of energy. Okay, now energy is energy as they say. So we have kinetic energy up here, a potential. It's also potential due to a spring, which is half kx squared. And if we took all that energy, let's say we could take all that energy, and with a 100% conversion or efficiency, spelled that wrong, we push it right into raising my body vertically. That means giving it potential due to gravity. So let's say we could take all that brownie and push me up there. Now let's say I'm 100 kilograms, just for some easy numbers to use. What we're going to say is that 2,093,000 is going to go all into mgh. So that's 2,093,000 equal to 100 times 9.8 times h. And if we found out the h, or the height that I have to be moved, that should give me almost 2136 meters. Now I'm going to divide that by 3, because it's about 3 meters per level, or 3 meters per floor. That gives me 712 floors. Now, pretty silly kind of problem, but what it's saying is if we could be 100% efficient in putting that energy into just raising my mass, my body vertically, put it all into potential gravity, which we've been talking about, it would raise it up 712 floors. Or another way of thinking about it, I'm not sure how correct this is, but I think it's alright, is if we were going to burn this off, say we would burn it off by going vertically, if we did the work to move our body 712 floors, we would burn off that entire brownie of 500 calories. Okay? Now obviously it's not 100% conversion when we exercise, because we give off a lot of heat when we sweat, and raises our body temperature, which helps us burn off calories too. But if you look at exercise, that's sort of the point. You want to raise your body temperature. The body temperature helps burn off calories, and you lose weight, or lose mass more appropriately there. So alright, just a silly little problem converting energy into another form. I hope that was kind of fun for you and makes you think twice about eating that next piece of cake. Alright, enjoy. We'll see you next time.